The Dr. Althea's 345 Relief Cream is a lightweight but potent calming treatment designed for fading, dark spots and blemishes, particularly in oily or combo skin types. In this video, we'll uncover the key ingredients, how to use it effectively, and essential do's and don'ts to get the best results from your skin. This multifunctional cream is formulated to repair, hydrate, and calm. It combines 3-star ingredients: niacinamide, panthenol, and open-tier ficus indica stem extract, each at 10,000 ppm to target spots, soothe inflammation, and lock in hydration. It's powered by a multi-layered gel cream structure that delivers nutrients continuously and leaves a soft, non-greasy, silky finish. The names are 345 Relief Cream, references the thoughtfully grouped ingredients on the packaging. 3 ingredients for blemish control, 4 for nourishment, and 5 for soothing agents. Using this cream is simple, and it can be easily slotted into your morning or evening routine. First, begin by cleansing your skin with your choice of cleanser suited to your skin type. Next, apply your toner or essence, which is optional. If you're using any lightweight serums, apply them first and allow them to absorb. Take a small amount of the 345 Relief Cream and gently massage it into the skin. Use tapping motions to help with absorption. This cream is designed to sink in, not sit on the surface. If your skin feels like it needs more moisture, follow with a richer moisturizer to lock everything in. Here are some do's and don'ts to watch out for. Do use this cream daily, morning and night, for best results. Do patch tests first. If your skin is very reactive, do ensure to pat into your skin and allow it to fully absorb. Don't over-apply, a small amount is enough. Don't use it on severely impaired or raw skin, as your barrier may not tolerate the actives. If you experience burning or stinging, your skin is too impaired to use. Wait until your skin has healed and reintroduce. And finally, don't use this product if your skin normally breaks out from silicons. This cream does have silicons in it. The Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream offers a beautiful balance of calming, hydrating, and soothing support without heaviness. Let us know in the comments, have you tried this 345 Relief Cream? What are your thoughts? If you want to learn more about skin products for acne or dark spots, check out these videos here next.